Hey guys, so today's video is going to be an unboxing of the Nintendo Switch Lite Coral Edition. I've been wanting the Nintendo Switch ever since quarantine and everyone and their mothers has been playing Animal Crossing. However, it's been out of stock everywhere and I could not find it. But just last week I randomly checked. I've been checking Best Buy, Target, Amazon and GameStop, and it was in stock on GameStop. However, it was only in stock in the bundle, but I mean, when I looked at it, everything that was in the bundle was everything that I would eventually need to purchase. So I'm just gonna stop talking. This came at 10. It's currently 3 o'clock, almost 3 o'clock, and I've been waiting to open this, so let's get to the unboxing. I really hope I'm in focus. If not, that'd be awful. So we have two boxes here. Let's open this first. Okay. We have packaging. So in here, we have the receipt. Oh, I should mention, this bundle was a total of $2.99 and everything that was in it added up. Obviously, the Nintendo Switch Lite is $1.99, I believe. The game is $59.99. I'll just show you guys when I take it out. So first we have, I mean, this wasn't really necessary, but this is the Nintendo Switch Lite carrying case and screen protector. It's the this is a New Horizons Aloha edition carrying case and screen protector. So let's see how this looks. This is the screen protector and this is the carrying case. And the inside looks like this. This is, I'm guessing, to hold your games. There's a little pouch over here. And yeah. Next in the box we have, this is, ooh, it came with, so now I have two. So with it came with an anti-shatter glass screen protector. So I'll probably apply this one and then have this one as backup. And last but not least, I had to get the Animal Crossing New Horizons that everyone is obsessed with. So I had to. So yeah, that's what came with the bundle. So in here it has to be the Nintendo Switch Lite. I've been waiting to open this since it got here. So, we have more packaging. Receipt. And here it is. It's heavier than I thought. But then again, it's in a box. I've been dying to get my hands on this ever since I saw that a Coral edition was released. I'm so excited. Okay, so let's open it. Okay. Let's see. Ooh. Okay, it's actually pretty light. In the box, I thought it was heavy, but super light. What else? I think the rest in here is just instructions, which how do I get this out? So in here we also have instructions. Oh, I forgot about this. The charger. So we have the charger. This is quite bulky, which I've also seen. This is the charger. It's quite bulky. And let's do a close-up of the Switch. So it looks like this. It's such a nice color. Okay. So this is where the game card goes. I've always wondered because in the reviews that I've watched, I haven't seen. So game, headphones, we have volume, power, and yeah, I'm guessing it's out of charge. Okay, let me sit back down. Okay, so, ooh, I thought it was out of charge, but I pressed the power button and it's turning on. Here we have to select an icon
to choose from. Let's see. Ooh, this is so cute. This is not that serious. We're just gonna go with this. Background. There's so much to choose from. I hope you can see this. We're gonna go with,
Okay, I'm very indecisive. We're gonna go with this. We need to create a name. Let's open this up. I'm sweating. Also, I know I'm really late on this trend or this phase. Everyone was on the Animal Crossing phase since quarantine began. And now everything's kind of getting back to normal, so the hype is dying down, but no, it's never too late. So here's the game, and but the game's super small, so it looks like it reminds me of the Nintendo DS games. It's super similar. Okay. So we have Animal Crossing. Okay, so it's restarting. It's done restarting. Select a user. Okay. Okay, so this is kind of boring stuff. I'm gonna have to like set up my character and stuff. It's asking for the name and birthday, and then, you know, stuff about the island, which I'm sure you guys have watched on other Animal Crossing videos and play with me's and, you know, other stuff. So I'm just gonna get that set up, and then I might continue the video, show you guys, you know, how my first impressions and, you know, my first experience playing the game. Or I might just make a separate video, or this might also be my last, you know, Switch video. You know, let me know what you guys want to see. I'm kind of like losing my voice. It's really hot, so I'm just gonna do this. I hope you guys enjoyed my Nintendo Switch Lite unboxing, Coral Edition. Yeah, I hope you guys thumbnail. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Okay, we're done. Thank God.